Once upon a time, in the grand kingdom of Emperor Akbar, a strange problem arose. One morning, the royal guards rushed into the courtroom. "Your Majesty, the royal treasury, it is completely empty," one guard cried. Akbar's eyes widened in shock. He immediately called his most trusted advisor, Birbal. "Birbal, what is happening? The treasury has no money at all. Tell me, what should I do now?" Birbal stroked his beard thoughtfully. "Your Majesty, in difficult times, only one person can save the kingdom. A wise merchant. Invite him to the court." Akbar nodded. Soon the merchant was brought before the king. He was a middle-aged man, standing with folded hands. He looked respectful, but composed. "The treasury is empty. Can you help your king?" Akbar asked. "Yes, Your Majesty. I will do whatever I can," replied the merchant calmly. In no time, he provided enough gold coins and treasures to fill the treasury again. Akbar stared in amazement. "How do you have so much money? Where did it come from?" The merchant smiled. "Your Majesty, I simply know how to avoid paying taxes. Others save a little. I save a lot." Akbar's face darkened with fury. "So you are a tax cheater. Take him away. Give him the job of cleaning the royal stables." And so, the merchant was sent to the stables, shoveling horse dung every day. Yet, even as he worked, his sharp eyes observed everything. The horses, the guards, the traders visiting the palace. He was always looking for opportunities. Months passed. One day, the guards ran into the courtroom again. "Your Majesty, the treasury is empty once more." Akbar groaned and pressed his forehead with his hand. Birbal, again? What should we do now?" Birbal smiled knowingly. "Your Majesty, call the same merchant. He will help again." The merchant returned, bowing respectfully. "Once again, the treasury is empty. Can you help?" Akbar asked. "Yes, Your Majesty. I brought even more money this time," the merchant replied. Akbar's eyes widened. "Where did you get this money now?" "Your Majesty," the merchant said with calm authority, "your ministers and commanders are corrupt. I simply told them, 'Give me your real money, or I will reveal your secrets.' And so, they paid me." Furious at the audacity, Akbar ordered, "Enough! Take him to the seashore. From today onward, he will only count ships, how many arrive and how many leave." The merchant obeyed silently. But as he counted the ships, he observed the traders unloading goods, their struggles, inefficiencies, and opportunities. He helped them with faster service, fair deals, and timely delivery. They trusted him and generously rewarded him for his efforts. 6 months later, the news came again. "Your Majesty, the treasury is empty once more." Akbar groaned. "Birbal, not again! Whom shall we call now?" Birbal chuckled softly. "No matter what happens, a kingdom always needs a clever merchant. Call him again." When the merchant returned, Akbar asked, "You were counting ships. How can you help now? What do you have left?" The merchant smiled confidently. "Your Majesty, even ships bring opportunities. I helped the traders who came in those ships. Faster service, fair deals, timely delivery. They trusted me, and they paid me generously." Akbar was amazed. He realized that the merchant's intelligence and resourcefulness had turned every challenge into an opportunity.